This is a 52-inch Casablanca Zephyr in antique brass with very nice walnut cane blades. This fan was manufactured May 1st, 1983, and it was the 351st fan made that day. Had this fan in the collection for a while, but I've decided to post it up on eBay, see what I can get for it. Completely redid this one. The bearings ran quietly the first time around, but I replaced them anyway, and it also has a new flywheel, as you can see here, because the other one did sag a little bit. This helped a little bit, but overall the blades are kind of saggy because they are a thinner wood than the later Casablanca fans are. But overall, it's in terrific shape. Got cleaned and waxed. Everything's all good on it. It is wired for a light kit. I don't have one with it. If you would like one, definitely message me. I can see about getting you hooked up in that department. I do have a few to choose from. So we'll go ahead and start it up on low. Keep in mind, I just put bearings in it, so it still is a little sluggish. I'm gonna let it run overnight to kind of break them in, but all 3 speeds do work, and reverse works as well. And these blades are the ones that came with the fan, so they are original to it. This fan's always been a good runner. Tassel is also original. Very well balanced as well. And judging by the movement of the tassel, I'd say it's moving a pretty good amount of air. There's low and reverse. It's got an Emerson K55 motor in it, if I didn't mention that already. Smooth as can be. This also was originally a slumber quiet fan. I replaced it with a 3-speed board for reliability purposes. Reverse works just fine on it. And there you have it, folks. 52-inch Casablanca Zephyr in antique brass for sale. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.